Hey, it's Roy with Popular Mechanics. Here are 4 ways to remove stripped screws. Method 1, straight flute screw extractor. Just tap it into the screw head and then turn it out with a tool called a tap wrench. When the screw head clears the wood, grip it with a pair of locking pliers and turn it out. Pull it out and here's the screw. Method 2 is to use a screw extractor. For small screws, use a size 0. Just chuck the screw extractor in a cordless drill, put the drill in reverse, and turn out the screw. Once the screw head clears the wood, just grip it with locking pliers and turn it out. Method 3, use a bolt grip extractor. A couple of taps with a hammer seats the extractor on the screw head. Attach a ratchet wrench and loosen the screw, or bolt. Once you've got that fastener moving, grip it with locking pliers and twist it the rest of the way. Method 4, oil drill in an extractor. Add a couple of drops of oil to the screw head, then make a hole in the screw head with a twist drill. Once the hole is deep enough, tap in a straight flute screw extractor. Once the extractor is seated, turn it out with a tap wrench. And thanks for watching. This is Roy Berenson, Senior Home Editor with Popular Mechanics.